Hello and welcome! In this video, I'll be unboxing 11 Kirby Shokugan Friends Series 4 blind box mystery figures. I bought these from EB Games Australia. They were $8 each, and there are 9 to collect. 8 regular ones and then 1 rare variant. So looking at the top of the box here, those are the 4 that you can get, and then you have a color variant for the rainbow Kirby as well. So hopefully between all this we can at the very least get the full set minus the rare variant, but if we do get the rare variant as well, even better. So we have Kirby on a rainbow, rare version rainbow, Waddle Dee on a rainbow, Kirby with a shocked face or something like that, Kirby with cream, translates a Kirby mirror, but I don't know. UFO, vending machine, and inflated like a water balloon. There's the back of the package. Sides nothing, bottom's nothing, and they all have the same number. Actually, I didn't check all of them, I just checked 2 of them. Do they? Knocking the camera. Yes, they all have the same number, so it's not like it has any secret way of knowing what is what. Let me readjust that, knocking the camera over. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and open and see how we go. So the first one we got is Waddle Dee. You can see them in the packaging, so I won't be actually taking them out of the plastic itself. Just a nice little 360 view inside of it. Decent size, looks nice, and super cute. Okay, so we can try and keep track of whether we get them all. Let's do that. I'm going to pause for a second and readjust. Okay, I was concerned about my surface being uneven and things falling, but should be good now. Let's keep moving. Next up we have the Kirby mirror question mark. Super cute looking. Nice 360 view. When it says mirror, it might be like copycat ability, something like that. So put that down there. Move on to the next one. Have you got any of these yourself? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, next up we have the shocked or sparked or startled or pickled, according to Google Translate. Super interesting facial expression there. That one's nice and simple, not really much to see about it, so put that there and move on to the next one. So far we're doing good. Am I going to jinx it by saying it? Who knows? Ooh, okay, we have the like water balloon one. I love how you can kind of like see the texture. Like it's the same material as the rest, but it looks like it could actually be a like water balloon. Super cute. Absolutely love the design for that one. Put that down there and move on to the next. Okay. Oh! That is the color variant. Okay, sweet. Well, we got lucky. Good thing I bought all 11 in the store. Looks like I've gotten lucky and gotten, hopefully, one of each at least. So here we have the rare color variant. So it is just a different colored rainbow, otherwise the figure is the same. Oh, actually, looks like the eyes are different as well. So sparkly, plain on the regular ones. So there's that one. If we get the other one, we can compare the two. So for now, let's just move on. I don't like the fact that the box ripped. Okay, cool. We have the regular one now, so there you can see what the rainbow looks like and the eyes itself. Otherwise, the figures are themselves the same, just color swap. So different eyes and different rainbow. Awesome. Super happy with that. Now if I can get... what else is missing? The cream, the UFO, and the... if I can get the last 3 that I need without having to open them all, we're in good shape. Will my luck continue? Okay, we have the UFO. So far, so good. But honestly, even if I have to open them all and get doubles, as long as I get the full set, I am happy. So there is the UFO, nice and simple. Put that down there. Let's move on to the next one. And we have the vending machine. Awesome, so vending machine Kirby. So weird seeing Kirby as a... I was going to say cube, that's wrong. Rectangular prism instead of a sphere. Okay, so there is that. So all that's left now is the cream one. So fingers crossed we get it in this one, or at the very least we get it out of the ones that we have purchased. We have cream, which means those two I can return. Thank God, some money back. I've been spending way too much money on Kirby recently. Okay, here we have Cream Kirby. Super cute. Nice and simple. Kirby with a dollop of cream on top, and clearly eating some as well. A little bit of cream on the cheek there. And then that is that one. So let me just confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have the full set. Okay. I'm going to put those two to the side. Those are going back to the store. And I'm quite happily now the proud owner of the complete set for this one. I don't know what's changed. I've been very lucky recently with the Kirbys. Not so much with the Yowies. But be sure to check out my recent videos to see all of that. Like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do unboxings and video gameplay. Comment below your thoughts, and yeah, do you want to see more? I have pre-ordered some other Kirby things to be released next year, I think in March. It is another one of the Pal Dolce collection volumes, but these are mystery boxes, so it's once again 3 that have already been released and 3 new ones. So I need to buy 6 and hope to get the 3 that I need before I get the 3 that are doubles. We'll see how we go with those. Hopefully the luck continues into the new year so I can do that. But yeah, other than that, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, and goodbye. And bonus for anyone who's still here, comment below which one is your favorite of these figures. Thank you and goodbye.